Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile icon in Vinted in 2025. To do it, click on Profile, and now you may need to scroll down to Settings, then go to Profile Details and click on Change Photo. Now you can select any from your gallery or take a photo now. I've just taken a photo, I'll select it. Now let's approve it, and you can see it is set. You can also add a description about you, your location, and enable or disable showing city in your profile. Remember to approve the change once it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.